It's been way too long since my last video. I mean, way too long. Oops. No, it's not Christmas. It's just one of my favorite coffee cups. Although it's almost Christmas. It's like freaking almost Halloween 2023. Yeah, 23. Anyway, just here's a quick update, y'all. Merry Christmas. I've been slacking a lot on videos. So what happened was we moved from Southwest Florida to, well, a little south of Savannah, Georgia area. So as you can see, there's actually green everywhere. So that means we might even have a winter. So the sailboat search still continues, believe it or not. But the problem is, Savannah's not like Southwest Florida. The tides here are literally, I think they're like 8 to 10, 12 foot, 12 foot. Yeah. So the marinas are very limited in Savannah. So, I mean, unless you got a power boat. But for a sailboat, it's like Charleston. Charleston's 2 hours away. If I go south, I can go to Jacksonville in 2 hours. So I'm just trying to figure that whole thing out. But until then, we have the pop-up camper. I'm finally getting back at it. Let me show you what happened and where we are. So if you haven't clicked off this boring video yet, I appreciate it. So don't forget to subscribe if you have it or whatever. It's all good. It's a hobby. I'm not making any money off of this. So until next time, it won't be 8 months until my next video. No worries. So until next time, we'll see you later.